I have already did the primer. Now I just want to wait to dry everywhere, then I'm gonna paint it. I have to do it today. That's what I can do. So just to mix the paint and then I'm gonna paint. Okay, yeah. Now it's painted, but I think I have to redone it at some stage. Because het lekker lelijke plekken, paar die plekken. But for now, I'm gonna flat it and polish it and see what how it comes out. Shucks. Yeah, the sun is not playing well. It looks a bit different. But maybe it is. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'll see what I can polish out. There they. This looks like almost done, man. I'm starting to like this. Like this a lot. Yeah. Nou ja, the dents are gone now. Now I just have to put some primer on. Just let it get dried. Then I'm gonna put primer on. Yeah, the side looks good. This door. Nou ja, they're primered. But I see two dents, small dents. Can't remember where they are. This side. But they are here. Okay, I won't find them now, but they are here. I'm going to search them. I'm going to put some spot putty on that. But yeah, that's why that's done now. Now here I put some spot putty on. That little dents and stuff. Here's a dent. There's a scratch there. And there was also a little scratch there and scratch there. Now it's dry, hard, so I have to sand it down. Then I have to tackle the other door. Hehe, so let's do it. See, this one is perfect here. This one is a little dent in there. To put more on that one. This one is smooth, man. There's a dent there. Okay, I'll put some more spot putty on. Just let it dry. You can put more on. Yeah, like that. My compressor broke. I bought this on auction, but it was leaking from every pipe. So I fixed it first. That's working now. So I've painted the door today. Not 100%, but I mean it's just to test the compressor, but pressure is fine. Now I'm gonna put it on the bakkie. And then I'm gonna sand it down and spray the whole bakkie completely. That's what I want to do.